So I know we did a lot of big ideas, textbook videos for the first part of chapter 1, section 5. Here is the last type of problem. We are going to be on page 41, and it's just the angle addition postulate. If we know what the whole thing adds up to, then we can form an equation and find out what each part adds up to. So go ahead for chapter 1, section 5, page 41. If you haven't done so already, copy down the core concept. Actually, sorry, copy down the postulate at the top of page 41. And we are going to do numbers 8 and 9 together. Yes, you have a little break from answering questions along with me. But that is no excuse to not go all the way to the end and take notes. Okay, so like I said, copy down the angle addition postulate at the top of page 41. We are going to go down to number 8. Yes, of course, I want you to draw it. If it is a figure, you are drawing it. You'll thank me when you have a better grasp of geometry. Okay, so we also have to take a look at the directions to look for any hints on how we're going to do this, and also to confirm what we're thinking, and that is angle KLM is a straight angle, and the directions say to find the measure of angle KLN and NLM. So if it's a straight angle, that means both sides add up to 180 degrees. So we can go ahead and combine like terms. We can add 2 to both sides, and we can take our calculator and divide by 14 to find out that x equals 13. Are we done? Let's go look at the directions again. Find the measure of KLN and NLM. No, we are not done. So we need to go ahead and take that 13. We need to go plug it in for x here and plug it in for x there. So for the measure of angle KLN, we're going to do 10 times 13 minus 5, 130 minus 5. The measure of, oh, sorry. Let's write that correctly. I wish I was writing in pencil, but it doesn't come out well. The measure of angle KLN is equal to 125 degrees. Are we done? Nope. We have to also find the measure of angle NLM. Oops. NLM. So let's go ahead and do that now. 4 times 13 plus 5. 4 times 13 is 40 plus 12, that's 52 plus 5. That doesn't work out. Did I copy it down wrong? 4 times 13. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times that's 12. 12 plus 5. Oh, because it's not a 5. My handwriting is terrible. It's a 3. 55 degrees. We have to, of course, title it. Whew, glad I found that. And are you wondering? I hope you're wondering, how did I know that this shouldn't be 52 plus 5? Well, 125 plus 55 has to equal 180 because we said so. And if I got a 7 over here and a 5 over there, it's not equaling a 0 right here. So I knew I was on the wrong track, and it was my messy handwriting that got the better of me. Almost. Hopefully it didn't get the better of you. Okay, let's do the same thing for number 9. Oh, Mr. Mitchell, I know I'm so nice doing 2 problems with you. Probably a good thing since I almost messed up number 8. And I could have cut it and redone it, but, well, Just need to make sure you know it's okay to not be perfect, especially when we're learning. All right, given that angle EFG is a right angle, we need to find the measures of angle EFH and HFG. So it's a right angle, which means, and I better write this down correctly, they should add up to 90. Let's go ahead and combine like terms. And, oh, there's something I would want to do right here, but I'm going to do it the old school way. Instead of dividing everything by 3, because we have a common factor, let's go ahead and take away 3 from both sides. Let's go ahead and divide both sides by 3. Now, wait a second. 3 goes into 90 how many times? 30, right? But I took away one set of 3s. So it's not going to go in 30 times. It's going to go in 29 times. You can check on a calculator if you don't believe me. So let's go ahead and find out if, let's by plugging it back in because we need to know the measure of angle EFH. So that's going to be 2 times 29 plus 2. 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 9 is 18. Oops, I don't need that there. So wait, 40 plus 18 is 58. 58 plus 2 is 60 degrees. Now, that of course is 60 plus what gets me 90? Well, hopefully this is 30, so let's go ahead and check. We plug in 29. 29 plus 1, yep, that's 30. So don't forget, you need to write it down. I am not a mind reader, despite what you think. And the measure of angle HFG is 30 degrees. And now I know that you know the measurements of both angles. All right, good. You'll obviously have some problems on big ideas to go along with this. And we're going to do some more in-depth problems as well in class.